What's up? So, nakuha ko na yung planner ko kahapon and I'm going to unbox it now and I'll show it to you here. Here, so this is the planner. But let's unbox this first. This is the mug and the bag. Una namin nakuha is this tumbler with straw, the cold one. And next is the water bottle. The water bottle is something that I like. It's nice talaga. Although, para lang siyang another version ng mga naunang ganito. But that's okay, it looks nice naman. So, let's unbox the mug first. So, this is the mug. It comes with a bag. I'm just not sure kung gaano kalaki yung bag. Hindi ko pa siya na-check. Walang bag. Hold on. Okay, so maliit lang yung bag kung ganun. Okay, ito nga. So, ito yung bag. So, sobrang liit niya lang pala. Let's see kung gaano siya kalaki. This is cute. Ang cute. Okay. Oh, so ang liit lang. Ang liit lang pala ng bag. Kasya yung planner. Ang liit niya lang. Yan na siya kalaki. But that's fine. And ang haba ng handle for a small bag. I'm not sure kung pwede itong planchahin or steam. Baka masira yung tela. Pero para sana mas straighten siya or ma-flatten. Anyway, that's included sa mug. Let's check out the mug. Here. It's okay lang. Not my aesthetic. Pero it's okay naman. It's nice. I'd still use it. So. Okay. Okay, now, yung planner. Yung planner talaga yung excited ako. Kasi ito talaga yung kinokollect ko since 2006. Let's see. Although maliit siya ngayon compared sa mga naunang years. Pero I would still use it. Yung gamit talaga sa akin to every year. So ito talaga yung look forward ko every year. Although late ko siya nakuha this year kasi sobrang bihira ako lumabas this year. Oh my gosh. There. So let's see. I'm so happy na isa lang yung version this year kasi usually nauubos agad yung gusto ko. So kailangan ko siyang unahin. However, nauubos naman din yung mga mugs. Hindi pala yung mugs, yung mga tumblers. So, kakalito ko anong unahin mo. Hindi na kami masyadong nasa Starbucks this year. Ay, napunit. Sige, napunitin ko na ng todo. There. These are stickers. Yeah, stickers. Stickers? Yeah, stickers nga. And so mga something. Baka meron pa mga something. Lagay ng pen. Ayun lang. And the planner itself. Oh, diba? It's so small. Pero I'd still use it. Let's see. And the pen, medyo glittery yung, I can see it, it's glittery. The pen looks nice as always. Parang it's like the usual. Parang it's like, no, it's different. The pen looks different than before. Oh, that's ganito. There. And then what? Let's twist again. Turn pa rin like before. And the planner. Let's Let's see. So, wala pa rin tayong vouchers this year. But that's fine. Hopefully soon magkaroon na ng voucher ulit. And double sticker sana, no, para naman So, yun lang. And there, I'm gonna use this na. Because it's January 3 na yata. Ano na ba ngayon? Today is Saturday. So 3 na ba? 3 na yata. But anyway, so yan, there. I completed my stickers yesterday. Naglagari ako sa mga friends ko talaga. So I wanna thank my friends na nagpapauto sa akin every year for my Starbucks stickers. Thank you so much. Bye-bye!